In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit a Wix website. There's 3 free web creation software platforms that I know of: Wix, Weebly, and WordPress. They're probably pretty similar, but Wix is free. It's easy to use. I think you're going to like it, so I just stick with that one. And again, it's fun. I think you will like it. So I just want to show you, if you go into our Blackboard space and you're in the content link, and you scroll down to the individual web assignments, and then you scroll all the way to the bottom, you come to the Wix website creation, and this is where the document will be, and I will also add the link to this video on here as well. But on that, I will actually go to that document that you would upload, and you probably don't even need this video. You can probably just follow along. It's so easy. But anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is go into Wix, and I already have it. Where is it here? Okay, so it's www.wix.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on Start Now, and you'll put in an email address and a password. And I always suggest writing down your password just to be on the safe side. And then you will go in, and actually I already have a Wix account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in at this time. Oh, okay, so I'm going to log in. Oops, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to log in. I have an old website that I created here called Nest for Vets. And let's see here. If I go into my sites, I could create a new site. So this is what you're going to do, and we can do that. So it's going to ask you, actually, when you see it, when you're first starting out, there's 2 big blocks that it's not showing here. One is a wizard on the left, and then on the right, as you'll see on here, on the right hand side, there's one that says Start with Wix Editor, and that's the one I always recommend. It's just a lot easier. And once you do that, then it will take you to here, and you're going to say, what kind of website? And so, you'll be creating a couple websites. One is for your individual web assignment, where you're going to create something for yourself, and then the other one for your business. So for your business, it might be restaurant and food, or an online store, or something. But for us, let's see what else. Oh, this is what I was talking about here. So don't do this one. This is the wizard. Don't do that. Start with Wix Editor. That's what I wanted to show you. All right. And so it takes you back to the categories again. Oops, I want these categories here. Business, online store, video, design, restaurants, accommodation, events, portfolio, blog. Oops, don't want that. Creative arts. I was actually looking for like a personal, oh, here we go, portfolio and CV. Let's just say I'm going to do that, and I'm going to just create my own. Because for your personal one, unless you're doing this, I mean, you can do it for yourself. I recommend it. I think you should all have a website that you can put on your CV. But let's see here. But you could do one, let's say, for a church or a club or something. You could do that as well if you really don't want one for yourself, for your individual web assignment. But basically, we're going to kind of scan through this. Here's a business CV. And notice most of them are free. So I recommend sticking with a free one. There's so many. And then I might want to view it. And it's going to give you what this template looks like. And so the nice thing about this is it does allow you to download your current CV. It's got your picture, what else? Education. It just kind of has a nice format. Skills, quick ID, contact me. Okay. But let's say, okay, well, that one's all right. I'll leave it up here so I can look at it again. Let me go back here. What else? Professional CV. Actor, actress, and there's lots of them. Look at that. Let's look at the professional one. Again, it's free. Let's view it. Okay, so notice that on this one, there really wasn't any navigation across the top. I mean, they the structure of this was just sort of scrolling. But it did have all kinds of interesting things that you could edit. But notice how, and it's got skills. I mean, it's really nice, but notice how it's very different from this one. This one, there's actually navigation bars more in a traditional sort of website. And so my point behind this is that whether this is for you or when you do one for your client, your mirror site, spend some time and make sure that the navigation and the structure are the way you like it. Because the only downside to Wix is that once you pick and activate a theme, it will not let you change it. I mean, you can go back and start again, which is not a big deal, but it's kind of nice to just do it first the right time so you don't waste your time. So yeah, you're going to pick one. Actually, you know what? Let me actually go back, and let's go back to business. Let's pretend, because this is something that you might find. Oh, sorry. So under business, under here, under business, there's all different types of business. So let's say, what are we going to do? Let's do pets and animals. Okay, so again, there's all different templates to choose from, and let's just pick a couple to show you the difference. Let's do, oh no, not very many in this one. All right. No. All right, let's do something different where we can see a lot. Let's say consulting and coaching. Okay. So here, business success coach, recruitment, finance, advisor, creative staffing. Let's just look at two of these to compare them. Let's look at strategic management. Again, it's free. Let's look at view. So these are the categories. This is what it looks like. And I suppose you can delete that. Visit, contact, so on. Let's see. About. Just taking a quick peek so you can change the picture. What I'm looking for is just basically the basic structure to see if you like it. So let's look at that compared to, how about this one? Still free, view. Okay, so it's a little different. This one's got services, projects, clients, so the categories are different. Notice how the actual functionality of it is different. About us, so it's got that kind of scrolling thing instead of clicking from page to page, which is very different than the first one. And this one's got some built-in social media links. So it just depends upon what you like, but let's pretend that we're going to go with this one. And so I'm going to go into edit. So once you go into edit, it's going to set it up for you. And after this, it's just very, very easy. Okay, so let's, oops, I don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to start with background. So color, it's right in red now. Let's say we wanted more of a muted kind of thing. That's more of our color. Okay, so change. Okay, all right. Image, video. No, we don't. Usually, you don't want images on a background. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so instead of business solutions, let's pretend that let's call this, how about e-commerce consulting LLC. Okay. Change page design. Let's see here, what do we have? Basically, you just kind of play with this stuff. I'm not going to do that. Background, we did that. Okay. So here we say So edit text again. So I think you're getting an idea of anytime you want to change on it, you just click on it and it lets you change on it. So the header is every business needs a great website. Okay, and notice here, okay, so I've got that. I can change the font size. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, make it a tiny bit smaller. All right, I can make it bold. I can change the color. Let's see here. Change the color of the text. Let's make it red just for fun. Okay. All right, so you see, we did that. When I click on this, edit the text, I can say, in the digital world, every business needs a website to promote its products and services and communicate. I'll just say that just for now. Okay. All right. So now what about this thing here? Change image. All right. I'm going to do something silly. I'm going to see what do I have here. So there's actually different images. These are ones I have in my library. When you upload them from your from your computer, you create a library, and we did a Nets for Pets thing, so that's why I have this stuff. But let's just put in, let's see, e-commerce. Well, you can also, they also have images from WIX that you can use, and let's say business, and let's do, just for fun, let's just put that in, choose image. Okay, so there I changed the image. Okay, let's say I wanted to, I wanted to look at my other pages. So see here it says pages, now we're on the home page. But if I click on that, these are all the stock things that it comes with. So I can click on any of them and it will let me change things again. Now, interestingly, it defaults to that red one. I thought it would change all of them, but let's go back. There's probably a way to change all of them at once. I don't know what it is right now, but anyway, so this is a gallery. Change images in the gallery. So notice I just clicked on it and brought this up here. So it's got images in here. So if I want to add images, you know, and you would probably have images from your place too, but there's also these big stock images. So let's say business again. I might add this. I might. Oh no, these are okay. No, it's okay. So these are you don't want these. I mean, you can if you want to, but free from WIX. I would just stick with that. Okay, so we're still in business. Let's just add a couple here. Anything that looks e-commerce-y or e-business-y or whatever. Oh, come on. Maybe there's something about, I don't see computers, but come on. All right, let's just say this one. Add to gallery and add images and free from WIX. And let's do one more. Let's do this. Add to gallery. Okay, so now we've created, we've updated and changed our slideshow. We could delete it if we wanted to. And then again, you know, this stuff, you just click on it to edit it and so on. Okay, so this is what we've done so far, right? You can look at the different pages. You can edit them. So the background is, again, this is what we did before. Did that. Get out of that. So this takes you to background. This one here is really important. You click on that, add, and notice that we can add pretty much anything into the site. Let's just say we're going to add an image. Okay, add an image. Okay. Okay, images. Where is that? Big Stop, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Flickr. Where's my computer? It's kind of cool though. Okay. Oh, I'm right there. Sorry. So I can upload from my computer, and let's just say, I'll just go into MBS Core just for lack of anything better here. Pictures, and let's go to Hike for the Homeless, just for fun. And okay, I mean, this doesn't really fit, but I'm going to put it in anyway. Okay. Alright, done. Okay, so I've added that, and so notice it puts it in my media library. It's right here, and I'm going to add it to the page. So, obviously this, this could be my team, so I can put it somewhere. Let's see, first let me resize it. See, it does cover things up, so I want to resize a little bit more so it doesn't cover things. And let's see here. There should be what's that? Okay, settings, design, crop. I'm looking for a text, adding text to the picture, like a caption. Let's look at that. Settings. Now we can open a link to it, but I don't see captions. That's all right. I can maybe add. Well, okay, let's just do this. Okay, so let me. Okay. ECC provides one-stop shopping solutions to your web design needs. I'll resize this somehow. Let's see here. Oops, I can drag it. Well, the good thing is you can see you can resize, you can drag things around and so on. So I'll put that here. Okay. All right, now here, if I go back into plus, add text. So add text. Okay. Oh, so it's asking me what do I want? Let's do. Oh, so you can pick the font. Let's just say a paragraph. All right. So where is it? Oh, here we go. It's right here. Put it here. Let's move this here. Well, actually, let's resize it a little bit. Put it here. And I can say text. Meet the team. I think it was Taylor, David, and Dell. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, and I could also, again, if I edit text, I could also change it, like the color, if I want it to be black. And I can change, okay, so I did that. Edit text, I can highlight it and link it to something. I can make it bold, I can make it big, I can change the font, and so on. Anyway, I think you're getting the point here. So add, again, so you can add gallery, slideshows, buttons, boxes, strips, shapes, video, music. Let's go to a place, let me get out of this. Let's go to a place where, let's go into pages again. And let's go into contact. And this red is annoying. This is kind of cool. You can actually edit this, change address. So let's put 5723. Oops. Donald Corbett Business Building, University of Maine, Orono, ME 04469. Let's see if it find. Did it work? What's this? Check. Oh. Well, if you had an address, I suppose it would be easier. Let me take the University of Maine out of it. Let's try this. Find. No. Alright, let's just try. Let me just see if I can put an address. Like, how about, I know. I'll put in 303 Mill Street. That should hopefully be a real address. Okay, now let's try this. There we go. Okay, see? So it changes the map. So that's pretty cool. And let me, just because it's so annoying, let me just change that back. Okay. All right. Okay, got out of that. All right, let's say that I don't see any social media in here. So, I mean, I can change all this stuff, but let's go into add, and let's put in social, let's put in a Facebook. Oh, look at that. It added everything. I suppose we can delete them. But anyway, I assume that we would then set social links. And for each one, so I guess we would go into here and we put the Facebook address and so on. Okay, anyway, you got the point. Okay, is there anything else you need to know? Here, you want to save it. And when you save it, notice that I have to give it a name because I've logged in as njones01. That's my user ID. And let's say I'm going to call this ECC. Okay. Now, if we were to upgrade, we would create our own custom domain name. But I'm going to save and continue. Hopefully. Come on. Or at least 4. Oh, sorry. ECC. I have to get a better name. E-commerce consulting. This is not a great name, but that's all right. You would come up with a better one. Okay, so I've done that. Put in the social media. Okay, done. Okay, so we can preview it. And this is what it looks like. We can go home. We did some stuff here. Where's the contact? We should have the meet the team in there somewhere. Or was that? Where was that? Solutions. Oh, there we go. Meet the team. Okay. So you can see it's in there. Back to editor right here. And, okay, tools. I don't really use that. Upgrade. If your client likes it and they want to really use it, they can upgrade. It's not that expensive. This here is kind of cool. The app market. They have some really interesting free stuff. Oh, let's see. Let's say we want to add, okay, an online store. Okay, so WIX stores. They should say add to site free. Okay, so here's a free one. Online store free. Anyway, we'd kind of scroll down and see free premium. There's probably different features that they have. Here's a free restaurants menu. I mean, they just have, look at that, WIX reservations, live chat room. They just have all kinds of really interesting apps. So I would encourage you to, Okay, I want to go back. Okay, so we're back to look through that, and then this other stuff. Yeah, I don't really. I mean, you can start blogging. This is like a bookings app that you can do. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I think we've covered everything that you will need. And if you have any questions, of course, contact me. But have fun with this, and I will look forward to seeing how you do with this.